Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change image quality on Mega account. So first we're going to go to the Mega app. As I told you, guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on the menu section. Then next you're going to click on settings. So once you're here, you're going to click on chat. Then you're going to click on the image quality option. So you guys have three options to choose from. Either it's on automatic, original, or optimized version of the image quality. So depending on your preference, you guys could choose it. I personally would choose the automatic one because it's going to put the image quality of your photo automatically. So that's better in my suggestion. So that's how you basically do it. You guys could choose from either of the three. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.